How to fix Xiaomi G20 Lite not picking up dirt or weak suction. So here I got the vacuum cleaner. It's Xiaomi G20 Lite model, and if your suction level is not that strong like before, we can fix this using this method. All you're gonna have to do is to locate your two filters and clean them. So first one is here at the top. You can see here these two locks. Move this button here and open this. Use another vacuum cleaner and clean this filter. But this filter is not problem at all. Let me just place it back, and we want to clean another second filter. Flip your vacuum cleaner to the bottom and open the trash bin or the dust bin. And here you can see this orange part. If you look closely, there is so much dirt, and all we're gonna have to do is to just grab this part and rotate it like this and pull it out. You can close this, put it here, and this is the part we want to clean. Sometimes it's dusty here. You can clean that. You can also clean this part, and this is the second filter. You can see it's a bit dusty, but you have to pull it out and clean this area. There are also so much hair. Clean that. I'm gonna use second vacuum cleaner. You can also replace this filter for a new one, and if you are done, place it back to that orange part like this, and this side should be at the top. And now just place it back to your dust bin. This side up, place it here and just rotate it so now it's not moving. Close the bin, and it should be better from now. It also helps you to maintain this vacuum cleaner to last longer and also improve your cleaning routine. So that was how you can fix this problem. If you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.